Autonomous District ST Parliamentary Constituency Kilik Pharos Troxy Kepra Troxy Tongpor Pli Kepra Troxy 19 Difu Legislative Assembly 39 polling site Puatum Enarlo Chitim Alom Difu Gop College along Nangkile Surupathar constituency ki parlo angkang tomonchar ting ke wang ke the parpik ajok burateron arong along donthong kepsuse kana hok nihang teron LP school asar nungta kahinodur Kardam adaba beta long peneli junari timungpi non birtang tonpen arju ikha jang mini phai criner cap ani kadoka ve long pharo kre isi rapli cap ra troxy polling station along bangsuri kre isi sose polling arat paledam sikilik monsamang bong padodam lapen puthot methang strong room along chipang thurinti Autonomous District ST Parliamentary Constituency MP Gangwaya Phanjang mi criner cap ani bangsuri kre isi sose polling arat kilik asai paju det pen puthot hem mate difu gop college along ki bi strong room along kengkam nang chejorinti Pinanga polling site Pumar Jang Mikrisir Cap Enarlo Achitim Mate Krehinira Achitim Apor si Difu strong room along nang pale polling station Kahilo Ajok 19 Difu LAC ke Parlo Thom Cap Rasir Cap polling atum puthot Jangmi Krisir Cap Anisi Difu Gop College along nang palilo Pining kadoka velak troxy rasurisir Cap Rapho Suse Avot Ajakong Chehar Jakpen Vot ki jok Pharo troxy Cap Ra troxy Sose Pusi Paklangpon Surupathar constituency angkang jangmini phai Krisir Cap ani anikang sam apor malom tomon charting kithe parpik ajok buraterona rong along don thom cap sose ahem kana hok duna beta pherang kepen beta nang pale Tomon charting ke wang kithe parpik ajok ongdung ahem arit Surupathar constituency ki parlo buraterona rong along don thom cap sose hem brit kana hok dun rong asar ahem pen danglok pinang anrat ahem kahenodun Kidua thai ka bia jok rong aradatum kisum chichak nang rintilo ang parda lokachali asomaratum takonat si lokachali ji maputa phirang kiang no radatum pen pachini don lasi prabjin pen karbiang lo autonomous council atum kopia kirap sinang pachir ji mala pen karbiang lo autonomous council em jokot sing ing tisitami bangso kisung pen ke pajok dun jia pan haladak arat ahem adit kana hok at dunatum pen towar cholang rintilo puta phirang kiang no pachini don Pirthe adang along jang mini phai Krisir Cap ani Kristo aphan ki kroi aradatum Good Friday katalon pon ason thak thaksi difu along ki do Emmanuel Baptist Church along ta choche junje pen katalon dun abeta nang pale Ada porphai troxy apor pen anigang sam porphai ke thom apor malom ansi jaimek padopon Emmanuel Baptist Church a pastor kangbra rong hang pensi arnam alam par jupon lo Lapen ke arnam kardom pensi ingsam jin penjai mek pachun ponlo lason thak si Bethel Baptist Association Youth Department ahin penta Emmanuel Baptist Church Youth Department angbong chilang si jaipong ahawar an kahumri dam pen jaipong Baptist Fellowship along Good Friday talon dam thu bangso kahumri dam ajai mek along BBAYD achun bang satya timung pen ke japon asai along EBCYD achun bang long bir terang na pen claim bang thu bang pi atum chetong dun si mesen pen jai mek pachun lup si beta rib dun long non malom so porphan beta mung ton pon iksena
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731 93652 07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward Number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Kan kray silo vote ke joktan nilikai ta mathadam
Niliki piagot lakha pondoma kalite nilike berate machine along klang pameloma
nilikai ta mathadam ke joka tengpen ke patini avar sai doma
Ningke hanga bang phophat ke joka vote klo dam lo puang thek doma Ningke hanga party aphan
kachiki klong isia kimia dichi vote ke jok ang thek kot pen ke patini un adichi VVPAT henlo Nilining dorik ason anthir thipen kangsai unadichi lake isi salajong pen karjab adichilo lapen EVM along cherap lok ahormulo EVM lapen VVPAT pen nang liko son si vote jokpo kengkam isi polling booth arlokilut vote ke jok ahem arlokilut dampen presiding officer si ballot unit pekarpo kengkam hini vote jok milo Ballot unit along akilir abatan along ning ke hanga bang puamen mate ang thek pen pachiton ra ber ignon kingkam ke thom ake era tur klang luma ning ke hanga bang puamen adung ake era tur klang pu kingkam pli kang chap alu klang luma VVPAT along ke klang kang chap alu aphai lang ignoi haladak nang li ning ke hanga bang puamen mate ang thek klang luma labang so kang chap alu achet second proxy an siklang chonji Laso apilo te amina chi thui pen che beng pet si isi yang deng along che thap dam thot po VVPAT ke isi aki mi che thang klong adi chilo nili inut det pia mekar lapen nili che chini komata phansi vote ke jok vek ma lapen nili theklong lo ko pima ning ke the klardak chingbar kri ke jok vek a vote ning ke hang abang phua phan lelu pu ke patini pen ning che pang samjin na phan lo lasi vote ke jok a hemar lo pen bar be aprang e phong VVPAT along patini te kang tha Laki, kemisnya nalam lo. Jongsi electoral voter list along, nang limem thap thelan puluti, lapen, nang li jongsi, arkoi nipai isi inkoira sirkep an, nang li artap, ningkan krenar kep choklo puluti, polling station abial o aphan, nang limen che thap dun pen, democratic araida te, non ke nang kileji, Lok Sabha election inkoira sirkep aput, vote chok dun ignon.
Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la pentesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung Hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
I've been a voter for the last 11 years. I've always wondered
if my vote counts or if the machine has recorded what I've pressed.
I've always thought, what if there's a verification system
which provides proof that I've voted for the candidate
and the party of my choice?
Introducing a system that can assure you. The Voter Verifiable Paper Audit Trail or VVPAT is one answer to all my questions. This is one independent system attached to the electronic voting machines that allows the electors to verify that their votes are cast as intended. How to cast your vote using the EVM and VVPAT. Step 1. Enter the booth. The presiding officer will enable the ballot unit while you enter the voting compartment. Watch out for the green light on the EVM indicating the machine is ready. Step 2. Cast your vote. Press the blue button on the ballot unit against the name or symbol of the candidate of your choice. Step 3. See the red light. The red light against the name or symbol of the candidate chosen will glow. Step 4. See the print. Look for the transparent window of the VVPAT. Look for the printed paper slip showing the serial number, the name and the symbol of the candidate of your choice. The slip remains exposed for 7 seconds, then it gets cut and falls in the drop box of the VVPAT. VVPAT, the revolution in the electoral world. As a citizen of this country, I know what and who I voted. I experience trust, transparency and fairness. It's about verification and voters' satisfaction. Do not leave the polling station without looking at the VVPAT. This is a good thing.
If your name is not in the electoral roll and you have completed 18 years of age as on 1st January 2019, then contact the BLO of your polling station to enroll your name and establish your democratic right to vote in ensuing Lok Sabha election 2019.
Aturkimi Academy Difu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 am to 1 pm. Aturkimi Academy Difu, Rukasan Amlapati, Difu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Dihina mo piputhot berta long wangthulo Chukuhela police station ki parlo angkang jang mikriner cap anigang sampor phai proxy apor malom Lok Sabha election duty security atum ki wang I tracker bokajan anat ki wang bomahut koilamati pen damchot phelang wang chomarleng ki sunahut adu ki kek along steering ki tewar un e jok arlok arleng ber cloth chok abita katiu salong bitanang pale Koilamati Ben Bokojan Higher Secondary School strong room along on ballot box ke ban bomahut security atum kachathap tracker motor Koilamati Ben dam chot phelang wang chom arle ke barahut adu ke kegalong tracker steering katebarun edera jok arlo klochok bangso hearing tangrak pen kaching koilong bang pho security atum a hearing tangrak pen arenga husolo setame nona mat ke kithi ke janga birta velang bang pho reng hu kisu abang phu atum aphan golakhat la pen Bokojan Community Health Center along kisu kilang aphan ponlo Ahiring tangrak pen kaching koi trackera number AS01S3199 pusi pang theklo. Ada babita bang kela pon sekang ton pon iklo, dumi thakmi kruwang thu.